Guys, I'm new to web development, but so far I've been using VS Code to learn how to write code. And the three extensions that have been really, really helpful for me have been the ones I'm going to show you now. These extensions are a must have if you're learning to code or if you're already an experienced developer. These three extensions are a must have, trust me. Once I show you them, you're going to use them all the time. They are a lifesaver. So the first one I'm going to show you is an essential extension that you have to have. First of all, you want to open VS Code, right? Then go into the extension tab, click on it, and you can see this live server. Live server, you type in live server and it will show up. This one, it's this one right here. As you can see, I've installed it already. But what it does is, right, let me show you what it does. When you go into your HTML, right, it allows you to just right click on it. You go to open live server, and it opens whatever you're working on your default browser, right? And it just shows you your website. You're able to quickly see what you're working on, which is a lifesaver. I'm telling you, it's very, very useful, and you're going to use it all the time. Now, that's the first one. The second one I found really, really helpful as I've just started learning how to code. It's actually my second week of learning how to code, and this one I absolutely love it. The extension is called, let me remove this. The extension is called HTML end tag labels. You see, HTML end tag labels. And what this does is in your HTML document, right? As you can see, I have mine open here. These end tag labels extension, it helps you to identify where you are in your structure. If I click on this, it's going to highlight this opening div and closing div, and it's also going to show you the classes that you apply to the div. As you can see, it's absolutely incredible. Let me click on another div right here. Let me click on the top div. You see, this top div is also applied to this div here. With the classes, everything is showing, and it shows you in a neat way so that you can look at the structure of your website, and you can know which elements are related to each other so that you don't mistakenly delete something or mess up your code. It's also great for in case you want to come back to your code later. It's absolutely incredible. So that's the second extension. You have to download these two extensions, and the final extension that you have to download is the Prettier extension. These extension is exactly what it says. It's a code formatter. It's incredible. You can see the way it formats the code. This Prettier extension is the reason for this formatting of this code. It gives it different colors, and it presents it in a neatly fashion. As you can see, this is the work of Prettier. These three extensions that I've just talked about, they are all lifesaver. I'm telling you. As I continue, because like I said, it's my second week of learning how to code, and these three extensions have made it really, really easy for me to just get my head around different syntax and different elements and tags and classes and these things, and the way they are right now, they are neatly arranged in front of me. So it's really helping me to you know make my code neater, and so that I don't get confused and stuff. So yeah, if you find this three extensions helpful, download it and start using it, and you will see that your productivity will absolutely increase. So thank you for watching.